Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Stop using the device to prevent new writes that overwrite deleted files. Next, identify what you're working with: phone or PC, HDD, SSD, or eMMC, because methods differ. Once done, download a reputable recovery tool on a separate computer or create a bootable USB to avoid writing to the target drive. Make sure to keep a power source stable. Sudden shutdowns during imaging can ruin recovery chances. Now create a full, read-only disk image. This preserves evidence and lets you retry scans without harming the original. Use DD or a GUI imager. Confirm the image hash. Then run the recovery tool against the image, starting with a quick scan and escalating to a deep scan and file signature search if needed. Recover any findings to a separate drive immediately. This avoids cross-contamination. As you go, check previews and timestamps to prioritize important files for full extraction. Finish by verifying and repairing recovered files where necessary. Use file repair tools for documents, photos, and video. Once verified, make multiple backups to different media or cloud storage. If you still lack critical files, particularly after SSD factory resets with trim or physical damage, stop and consult a professional recovery lab. Further DIY attempts can reduce success chances. Finally, document what you tried and implement scheduled backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.